name is Suraya. I have one daughter. I am small family, very happy. I have no money, but heart is very clean.
Life in the slum poses many challenges. Homes are overcrowded, water is not easy to access, toilets are few, and families struggle to get by. Knowledge of healthcare and nutrition is limited, and families do not receive proper medical attention. Conditions such as these make the urban poor vulnerable to a host of health problems. Problems during pregnancy, childbirth, and early childhood cause women and children to fall ill, land in the hospital, and too frequently die. These problems are preventable. Sneha works with the urban poor to find innovative solutions to problems of nutrition, education, health, and violence against women.
Sneha has a wonderful comprehensive approach to women and children. At the community level, we form women's groups within the community. Slums are different from rural areas, so the women's groups are not really in one slum, but every lane has its own small community, and these women's groups meet every fortnightly, sometimes every 3 weeks.
Hi, my name is Kokila. I am a Sakhi. As a Sakhi, I make the groups.
Through a process of sitting together and talking about health issues, women sharing their stories about health. Every day there is a change that happens within them, and then finally they take their own decision.
My name is Sheetal. I am working in Sneha. Our project aim is 0 to 3 years mother, guidance to their children's health, nutrition, and also we are trying to change their beliefs and practices.
Sneha partners with public healthcare providers to improve services for poor communities. Sneha's Crisis Center provides support to victims of domestic abuse. We aim to empower women to improve their lives.
We have counselors to do the initial counseling of patients when they first come to the crisis center, and follow-up counseling as and when the women and children need them.
Sneha's initiatives are measured and evaluated to build sustainable and replicable models of intervention. We partner with communities to empower women to change their lives.
The Society for Nutrition, Education and Health Action was formed by a group of doctors and social workers dedicated to the vision of healthy women and children for a healthy urban world. Since its beginning more than a decade ago, Sneha has been working towards improved maternal and newborn care within the public health system.
Sneha has been working with the healthcare system of the Municipal Corporation of Mumbai, and because quality of care is something that was very dear to us even when we were back in Sion Hospital, working with the issues which we knew came from women and newborns not getting the right care at the right time, or not being referred on time to the next level of hospitals.
In 2004, Sneha began the City Initiative for Newborn Health. by building on decades of experience working within Mumbai's public health system. And by conducting community-based research in the slums of Mumbai.
Because we use a participatory method, like we try and involve everyone, right from the tertiary level hospital professor till the medical officer of the maternity home. So everyone was involved, and one of the three things that were emerged from this workshops was we need to strengthen the health post, that is the primary care. The antenatal care needs to happen at the health post, and the referral system has to be implemented. The referral linkages need to be established between the maternity home and the peripheral hospital. The behavioral component which was not there earlier, and which was focused on how they can be more sensitive to the patients and also to understand the needs of the patients who are coming to them.
In collaboration with the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, Sneha facilitated the establishment of antenatal clinics at 8 health posts across the city. 5 more clinics were added subsequently under 2 other projects. Sneha has conducted clinical trainings on neonatal care to develop the skills of health post staff. Training modules have been prepared in collaboration with the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai to standardize procedures in important operating areas in maternity homes. These include implementation of cleanliness and disinfection practices. Behavior change communication tools such as role plays and flashcards have been used with community health workers to improve delivery of maternal and newborn health messages. Additionally, regular awareness sessions on nutrition, danger signs during pregnancy, and correct breastfeeding practices have been conducted within the slum community to promote improved maternal and newborn health. Recognizing the importance of linkages between the various tiers of the public health system, Sneha has worked towards strengthening them through the standardization of the referral process. The system includes documentation and tracking of referrals, along with regular meetings between the various healthcare providers. Sankalan is a result of Sneha's collective experience over the years, being recognized by the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, an invitation to scale up from the ward to the city level. Through Sankalan, Sneha plans to replicate its model of improved maternal and newborn health across the city of Mumbai. As it continues to scale up its work, Sneha's partnership with the public health system and the slum communities will continue to grow to ensure healthy women and children for a healthy urban world.